I would like to first thank Saurabh for making me be here full 2 days for this event. Uh, I agreed for this in spite of two other conferences because the passion that I saw in the way they were organizing, hats off to them. It was like I couldn't say no. Okay, and that shows up in the arrangements they have done. That shows up in the way they have been organizing these 2 days. Yeah. Thank you so much on that.
I just want to say awesome performance, guys. It's a rocking last 2 days, and I have been in my fair share of conferences. I would say this comes very much at the top in terms of how it has been organized, how it has been planned, how it has been executed. Yes, we can talk about summary extracts, but believe in me, I've seen a lot of summary extracts saying a lot of things and the content not matching up to what it says. Okay, so I've seen the other part of it also. But nevertheless, it's a good idea. I think it definitely is helpful. And kudos to you guys. You guys have done an awesome job.
So I would echo what he has just mentioned. I think I joined in second half today only. But whatever I saw was simply awesome. I think that there are some comments about having 3 tags and missing it. But I think it is also an opportunity that you can change your track basis your interest. I think it takes a lot of effort in organizing 3 parallel sessions, lining up speakers, lot of logistics. So I think kudos to the team. Wonderful. Yes.
Somehow, this is the first one which I think I have not seen any non-Indian in the conference. Am I right? Did you have any outside India speakers? Okay. Okay. And in all honesty, I think that is a great direction to take, because I think a lot of the speakers who come from outside the country, with due respect to them, firstly, we have learned a lot from each one of them, but they have a very different context and a very different environment in mind. And I've always been challenged to see how it fits into how we are doing things, right? So for example, they just don't understand how the Indian organizations and companies plan or how much they value resource utilization, right? They think, why? What is the issue? Why do you guys talk about resource utilization? They don't understand the fact that the teams in India are rarely stable, experienced teams. We all have a bunch of real rookies in our teams and freshers that we have to work with. So I think the fact that you all actually got a lot of Indian speakers, I think it helps in that profile, that the background of the speakers comes from the experiences in the Indian-centric industry, which understand the problems of the Indian service or the Indian IT industry. Okay.
Now I echo a lot of sentiments. I think it's an awesome job by Saurabh and Neeraj. And if we still have some energy, I would request all of us to give them a big applause. Actually, I volunteer a lot with a lot of other agile conferences, and I know how much effort, time, personal time it takes. They all have jobs, they all have, and I was really blown away by the fact that it went smoothly, not a single glitch, not a single time wasted there. The time for networking break was really very generous, almost 45 minutes of break, unheard of actually. They could have actually added one more speaker if they had. They cut it down to half, but awesome effort actually by creating those opportunities for people to come together. I also recognize what Sudhi said actually in terms of having all the speakers.
Conference which is happening, so I requested him to get me some invitation into this event so that I can, get to see what is actually happening in the industry. Being away from the software development for some time, so lost touch in terms of the way things are happening. So what I have learned in this whole process is that it's not only for my small software development team which we carry, it's important for them, and also a lot of these knowledge I can apply into a lot of other things which we do. In infrastructure, again we run a project, so again we'll get into same kind of issues which we face in a software development or any kind of project. So what I was looking forward to is that the next time something similar happens, not only me, but some of my team members, including people who report into me and the people whom I report, they become part of these kind of events so that we can make it as a culture in the organization. Because if I try and push certain things, they will look like as, okay, people under me will be forced to pick up few things if I really make it a point. But I don't know how much of buying they will have. And same way, when I start going up and asking for certain funds, to invest into it, unless they understand and see what is actually happening in the industry and see that how people are using across the industry, it's very difficult to get that funding. So it's been a great experience. I really appreciate the way the event has been conducted. I really like the concept, having multiple tracks here and giving an opportunity to each participant to, go and walk into any of those sessions. And if you don't feel like, continuing with that one, you can just move into the next one. And other thing which I liked about the whole event was the maturity and the quality of the speakers who came in here. They not only talked about the technology or the techniques which can be used, they also were sharing a lot of their personal experiences and how they have actually helped people. And of course, the quality of the participant, again, I felt that, okay, there's a very mature crowd who was there. They were able to put across a point as to where they are facing challenges, in terms of implementing. So that way, I got to see the glimpses of, how and what kind of challenges, people are really going to face in a real life scenario. Conceptually, first we hear it, it looks very easy. Oh, the whole world is doing it. Everybody is talking about success stories. And when you start, understanding the kind of challenges they are facing, then makes you realize that it's not an easy journey. It's going to take time. It's going to take patience. And it's going to take a lot of effort in terms of changing the mindset of the people within an organization. And that's the most valuable information which I felt was with me, because most of the time people said that, okay, you take a team into one, one agile workshop, or, conduct a 2 days workshop, bring in one expert from outside, and the magic wand will start producing result from next month. And when I was actually talking to the people, then I realized that, okay, it's just taken them 6 months to 1 year just to stabilize the whole process and, getting everybody on board, and then making that